So we're gonna go over my new holy grail. It's the RedKen One United, but it's 25 in 1, and so adds shine, heat protectant, prevents breakage. You can put it on wet or dry hair. I had to touch up my hair because of the humidity. And I missed it all over. I keep a bottle in my bag with me now because I sprayed in my hair just to protect it from the elements. If I'm gonna get in a chlorine pool, or if I'm gonna get in the ocean or anything like that, the beach, or I'm gonna be outside. It smells amazing, so sometimes I'll spray it in after I wash my hair, or sometimes I'll wait until I style it. Probably use it just about every day. Another thing is it is really good about preventing frizz. I have very curly hair naturally. That's constantly a battle I'm fighting. I'll show you what it looks like when I'm done.